Okay, so we just got a good pull here, and we're bringing it in. Not sure what we have yet. Bring it in nice and slow. It's kind of just swimming towards the boat. Got some good drag going here, so. I saw a shadow on top of the water. Oh. Took some good drag, that's always fun. Okay, got it down. Oh, okay, I see it. Oh, that was fun. Oh, well, it's a good drag puller, so that's a good sign. All right, looks like it's getting close to the boat. It's a little, looks like it's a little fighter. Probably gonna just release this guy in a second. Okay. Oh, okay. Was a little guy, and we're gonna go ahead and release this little guy here. I'm gonna go ahead and show him to you before I release him. Pretty little guy. Looks like he's just barely hooked here, so that's good. This is always fun. So he came off real easy. It's actually a really pretty fish. Okay, so he's a pretty little rainbow trout. I'm gonna go ahead and release this guy, so I don't want to touch him too much, but look at that, really nice and sleek. Had a lot of energy, really nice tail, pretty color. Whew. Beautiful little rainbow trout. I'm gonna go ahead and let him go right now. Amazing. All right, let me go ahead and release this guy. I don't want to keep him out of the water too long. Okay. Okay, so he just dove down. All right, so fishing is pretty good. I'm out here fishing Los Vaqueros 2021, and you just saw me land a beautiful little rainbow trout. I'm gonna keep fishing, see what else I get. Hoping to catch a big one today. So the hunt for the big rainbow is on. I'll be back, hopefully with, okay, yeah. All right, so we just hit something. Something just took off, so we're gonna bring it in nice and slow because we don't know what we got. But it's taking a lot of drag, so that's good. Hey, that's a really good sign. If we figure out that it is a giant, we're probably gonna stop the boat. I like to cruise, but it could turn out to be a really big fish, so never know till you get it to the boat. Always take your time. Never force it in. Keep the line tight. Okay, so whatever we have is pretty good size. Got the pole really bent. We're just gonna cruise nice and slow, stay here in the middle, see what happens. But I think we have a big one. But like I usually say, we don't know till we get it to the boat. But we'll take our time. Take our time. Feels good though, feels good. Feels real nice. It's not a small fish, definitely. Looks like it's coming towards the boat now. Okay, so it's on this side now. Oh. Okay, so now I went down deep. Went down deep over here. Wow, this feels really good. It's actually staying kind of deep, so I can't see it still. We'll take our time. Oh, I don't see anything yet, so it looks like it's kind of deep. I don't know what it is yet, so we'll see. Okay, it's coming up. Oh, it's a striped bass. That's why it was swimming weird. Okay, so we got a striped bass. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Ah, we just got a beautiful striped bass. Beautiful striped bass. Might be a keeper. We'll check it out in a second. Wow, it's a beauty. It's an absolute beauty. All right, let me get my measuring tape. Voila, measuring tape. All right, give me a second. We'll measure this out. All right, so he was barely hooked on the lip here, so it's like a little fat part of the lip. So I should come off real quick here. There we go. Okay. All right. Whew. It's exciting. Bonus fish today. Bonus fish. All right. Let me measure this guy out real quick. It's a beauty though. Look at that. Beautiful striped bass. Look at that. Beautiful striped bass. It's a beauty. Let me measure him out real quick. See what we got here. Okay, so for me to keep this fish, it has to be 18 inches long. It's 1 inch shy, 17 inches. We got a 17-inch striped bass. Look at that. That's a beauty. That's a beauty. So we just nailed a 17-inch striped bass. Not legal to take, so I'm gonna let it go right now. But we do have a beautiful 17-inch striped bass. That's really good. Out here at Los Vaqueros fishing 2021, and we got our beautiful, beautiful striped bass. Look how beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and let him go right now. He's 1 inch short, but hey, bonus fish, bonus fish. Look at that. One more time, then we'll let him go, and one more time. All right, go ahead and let this guy go. Give me a second here. All right, so it's out of here. All right, so that was a lot of fun. That was a beautiful 17-inch striper. All right, so I'm gonna keep fishing, see what else I get. But that was a beautiful bonus fish striped bass. All right, I'll be back in a couple minutes, hopefully with a big one. All right, till later. Woo-hoo. Okay, so we just hooked onto something. It feels like it got some weight to it, so let's hope it's a big one. But like I always say, you never know what you got till you get it to the boat. Especially when it swims towards the boat. When it's swimming towards the boat, then you can get into all kinds of problems. So I don't know what I have right now. So we're just gonna take it easy and try to find out what we got. but I've already had a lot of experience with fish, and you never know what you got until you get into the boat. So right now I'm trying to get into deeper water so I can turn my motor off and I can just float around, but it feels like it got some weight to it, so let's hope it's something big. Took one good run, now it just kind of feels like weight. So I'm trying to get this boat out to deeper water, and in my mind I hope it's a big one. Hey, think big, dream big. So I'm just going to bring it in little by little. I'm going to take them out to deep water. Never know what you got. Remember, I'll say it over and over again. You don't know what you got until you get into the boat. So right now I'm trying to get over here to the middle, and I'm trying to keep the fish low, no jumping. Just bring it in little by little, little by little, little by little. I'm gonna try to turn the boat off when I get to the middle over here, get away from the weeds. And if you ever get a fish swimming towards the boat, just be real careful, real careful. It looks like it's swimming towards the boat now, so yeah, it's a really nice rainbow trout. Beautiful color on him. Beautiful color. Got a beautiful red stripe. Wow, that's a, oh wow, he's beautiful. All right, let me get him. Oh, that's a beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. Oh, that's a beauty. Turn the boat off. Oh man, that's a pretty fish. Oh wow. Just the color is amazing. Oh. Oh man. Oh man, this is beautiful. This is a beautiful fish right here. And we got the sun in the right spot. Oh man, color on this one. Beautiful color. Beautiful color on this one. All right, good. We're in a good spot. Turn the boat off now. There. Let me get them off here so everybody can look at it. Oh man, the colors is fantastic. And the sun's in perfect position. Let me get him off real quick. See, he's barely hooked. He's barely hooked. Right on the side. Right here, right on the lid. Boom, that's it. Wow. So you gotta be careful. Don't horse your fish in. Don't horse your fish in. Wow, the color is amazing on this fish. Beautiful color, beautiful rainbow. All right, let me see. Okay. All right, so the sun, okay, perfect. Perfect position for the sun. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. Really nice tail. Really nice color. I think I'm gonna let this guy go. I think I'm just gonna let him go. Really love the color. Red cheeks, red line. We're just gonna let this guy go. So man, this is a beautiful fish. It's just fantastic to me. Just absolutely beautiful. This is what a rainbow trout should look like. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and let this guy go. Fishing out here at Los Vaqueros, and this is what we're catching. This guy is absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna let him go because I really like him. So we're gonna release this guy right now. All right, so we got a perfect release. It's gone. That was a beautiful rainbow trout. I'm gonna keep fishing, see what else I get, but usually when I catch them that beautiful, I like to let them go. All right, be back in a couple of minutes. Whoop, whoop. Okay, so just got a pretty good bite. Not sure what it is yet, but we'll figure it out in a second. Okay, I'm just gonna turn the boat off because it feels feels like it has a lot of weight to it. So we're just gonna take our time here until we figure out what it is. Don't know what it is. Took a really good pull, but just take our time. Got the motor off, no propeller. Bring it in little by little, and we'll figure out what we got. Take our time. Take our time. Take our time. Take our time. We got a striper. Okay, that's good. That's a good thing. Let's see what we got here. Looks like a real nice one too. Oh man. Let's hope that this is a keeper. Let's hope that this thing is a keeper. Oh, wow, it's nice and fat. Oh man, this might be a keeper. Not sure. We'll find out in a second. Let's hope that it's a keeper. That'll be a nice one. Right, let me get the lure out. Okay, 1 second. All right, so he was just lipped right here. We got the lure out. Okay, so let's find out how big he is here. Okay, wow, it's really nice. Woo! Okay, it is a nice one. Beautiful striped bass. There you go. Look at that. That is a beauty. That is a beauty. So today, this striper officially makes it a Strout day. We got striper and trout. So we officially got a Strout day. Let me pull out one of my nice trout. Then we're gonna do the Strout. Hold on 1 second. All right, this guy's really nice. Let me measure this guy out real quick. Let's take a look at what we got here. See what we got in an official size here. All right, so we got official size, 17 inch. Cannot keep it. 1 inch shy. 1 inch shy. He is a beauty. Look at that. Woohoo! Look at that. That's nice. That is a beautiful striped bass. 1 inch shy. 1 inch shy. 17 inches. Can you believe it? Wow. So hey, but he officially makes it a Strout day. Strout. Stripers and trout. Beautiful striped bass. Absolutely beautiful. All right, let me go ahead and let this guy go. But officially, there we go. Stripers and trout. Beautiful 17-inch striper. All right, go ahead. Give me 1 second. Let me let this guy go. Be right back. All right, he went flying. All right. Officially, stripers and trout. Beautiful 17-inch striped bass. All right, I'm gonna keep fishing. I got 1 hour left. See what else I get. But for now, stripers and trout. Stripers and trout. Had a really good day. Really good day. That's a beautiful striper. Let me show you some trout. Now the sun's right on us, so we can take a look at the nice trout here real quick. All right, there we go. Officially, here we go. Look at all this. It's my limit. There we go. Look at that guy. That big or what? That is a beauty. That's a beauty. Look at that. Look at this guy. Look at that. Look at all these. Look at all this. Look at this one. This is just, oh yeah, this one's right on it. Look at that. That is a beauty or what? There we go. Officially, stripers and trout. Here's my beautiful limit. I worked really hard. Various techniques, various lures. There we go. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Man, got my limit of trout and still fishing for stripers. And let's hope we get a keeper striper. For now, we got a limit of rainbow trout. Woohoo! Strout, trout, stripers and trout. All right. Oh my goodness. All right. Hopefully I'll check in a couple minutes and see what else I get. But wow, for now, fantastic day. Woohoo!